Welcome back to A Global Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a fantastic Vietnamese vegan salad with the world's largest fruit, young green jackfruit. These large fruits with a prehistoric looking warty skin can grow up to 100 pounds. Thankfully, all of the breaking down and processing has been done in advance, as you can now buy them in cans. They're increasingly being sold at well-stocked large grocery stores, but you can definitely find them at Asian grocers. Make sure you buy young green jackfruit in brine instead of ripe jackfruit in syrup. While it's fantastic when it's ripe, the flavor, sweetness, and texture doesn't work in savory dishes. Young, unripe jackfruit is typically used as a vegetable in curries, salads, and stews. The flesh has a wonderful, meaty texture and a mild flavor that easily absorbs seasonings. So let's start cooking. So today we have young green jackfruit, oyster mushrooms, carrot matchsticks, thinly sliced red onion, you can use shallot or a sweet white onion. I've already made the dressing. It's basically the everyday table sauce or nuoc cham. Now today, it's not that spicy because I'm using a long, mild red chili. If you want to have it a bit spicier, use a Thai bird chili, but take out the seeds. Now Vietnamese salads are all about the herbs. So I like to try and have 3 in there. So we've got some mint, we've got some cilantro, and also today I've got some Vietnamese coriander. It has long, narrow, pointed leaves and has a cilantro-like flavor with a peppery, somewhat lemony aftertaste. If you can't find it, use Thai basil. You'll find Vietnamese coriander at a Vietnamese grocer. Lastly, for garnish, I've got sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds, and some fried shallots, but today I'm using store-bought onions. And then to eat it, we're gonna use some homemade toasted rice cracker. Drain the jackfruit, rinse it well, and gently squeeze out any excess water. Shred the jackfruit. I find the top of the jackfruit easily shreds. Set all of the solid core parts aside. Don't worry, they're edible. You just need to cut them into small pieces at the end. You'll come across some of the immature jackfruit seeds. If you get a larger one, simply cut it into smaller pieces. If the oyster mushrooms you're using are large, tear them into thinner strips. If you're using button or cremini mushrooms, just thinly slice them. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms, salt, and pepper, and give them a good stir to lightly coat them with the oil. Cook for a few minutes without stirring them or shaking the pan. You want them to get nice and golden. Turn them over or stir them and cook them for another couple of minutes. Then transfer them to the bowl with the jackfruit to cool. Toss in the carrot, onion, and pour over the dressing. Give the salad a good stir so the jackfruit can soak up all of the flavorful dressing. Sprinkle in the herbs and mix well. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with the toasted sesame seeds and crispy fried shallots. So let's have a taste of our young jackfruit curry. I'm just gonna break off a piece of rice cracker here. Spoon some on top. I really enjoy the texture of this salad with the meaty oyster mushrooms, the shreds of the young jackfruit that just soak up that sweet, sour, spicy dressing, and then the fresh herbs that really brighten everything up. I think this is a great salad for someone who hasn't tried young jackfruit before. You know, serve it alongside something like a Thai curry or Vietnamese curry or a Malaysian curry. In the upcoming weeks, I'm gonna be making more recipes with young jackfruit curry, so make sure you subscribe to A Global Kitchen. I've really been enjoying seeing all of the recipes that you've been making and sharing with me on social media. So please keep on tagging me when you make something so that we can celebrate your success at trying these recipes. Thanks for watching today. Bye and happy cooking.